Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how I scrape unlimited leads from Google Maps for free. So you just have to simply click the link that I have attached in the description down below. It will take you directly to this lead extractor and you have to click this one, lead extractor zip file. So tap this and wait for a couple of seconds as it is downloading. Once done, go to downloads and then right click and extract this. So once you have extracted this lead extractor file, what you're going to do is you have to go to your Google extension or Chrome extension. If you can see that, you just have to go to three dots, this three dots right here, go to manage extensions, and it will take you directly to your Google extensions. Here you have to drag the file that you have extracted earlier. That is the lead extractor file. So you have to drag that file to your Chrome extensions. To do that, just click and then drag it directly to Google extensions. Once you have dragged the file here, what you're going to do is you have to go to extensions and then pin this one. Then you will see the icon of lead extractor at the top left. Tap that one. And then after that, you just have to go to your Google Maps right here. And let's just say you're looking for leads in the specific place. For example, hospitals, or let's just say law firm in Singapore. Okay, so tap the search icon and you will see all of this. And in order to extract this, in order to scrape this one, what you're going to do is click this icon, lead extractor. If it's not functioning, then you can refresh or reload. So reload first and then go back to this extension, lead extractor. Then you will see here the information. So what you're going to do is you just have to copy this. Okay, copy all and then paste it to your Excel or Microsoft Word. Okay, so this is what it looks like. If you want to see more results, you need to upgrade your plan here. But basically, this is how I scrape unlimited leads from Google Maps for free. So if you want to suggest a topic or tutorial, please do comment down below and please do subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.